To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to gradually raise wake up alarm volume of the sleep mode, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Tap alarm sound. Tap ringtone. And then tap the gray on off switch next to gradually increase volume until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap the back key twice. Tap save button. And then tap done button to save the change. With this setting, now your phone will gradually increase wake up alarm volume as it rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.